Hi, this recipe goes out to all you flexitarians out there who just really like the taste of your beef meat, but you are open for making it 50-50. And we can make it 50-50 and still retain all the flavor of the real beef meats by adding some plant proteins with some water and some spice and color to give it this same color. We just use beetroot for color, by the way. Super simple. So the way to make this recipe is first to mix our spices and beetroot with the water. And even though it looks like we have a lot more over here than here, this is 400 gram and this is 400 gram together. So it's totally a 50-50 recipe in terms of meats and plant meats. And likewise, it's 50-50 in terms of protein source. So here you get 50% of your proteins from beef and another 50% of your proteins from plants. This creates more interesting hybrid products than if we just were mixing in vegetables, because I mean we could dilute the meat by 50% vegetables, but hey, where are my proteins? That's why we use our proteins for this product here. So I mix these plant-made shreds with the water and the spices, and I allow it to absorb the liquid. It will take approximately 2 minutes. Only about 1 minute has passed, and practically all the liquids are already absorbed in here. I just want to add this note that if you are doing this in an industrial size scale, you can mince the meat a lot coarser. 10 millimeter is fine. And you can mix this product, the shreds, with the liquid and the spices in a big paddle mixer, cradle paddle mixer, and it will work just fine. Don't worry about harming the products. They are very durable in the process. So now we add the meat in to the plant meat, and to speed up the process, I'm just gonna knead the lid with my hands. Again, if this was an industrial process, you could use a big Hobart mixer or a big paddle mixer. You're basically gonna get the same results. This is how the mixed product looks. It looks a lot like meat, and you can use it like this already. This will work just fine. If you want to make it even more authentically looking like meat, well, we can just mince it once again. And look just how incredibly authentic this looks to minced meat. Nobody will tell the difference when they look at it. And what's even better, nobody will tell the difference when they taste it. Isn't this just fantastic? This product can be used just as you would use any meat. You can shape it, fry it to hamburgers. You can make beef balls. You can make bolognese. Anything you would do with a regular minced beef, you can do with this one. How is the result? It's tasting excellent. It's juicy. It's more juicy than meat. Meat is actually not necessarily that easy to make juicy, but this one, because we have the plant protein, it just absorbs the liquid really well when you fry it, so it doesn't bleed the juice from the meat. So this is meat on the next level. And just think about the fact that you can actually effectively reduce your carbon footprint from your beef to 50% by replacing 50% of the beef with plant meat. And hey, it's entirely organic and no additives, just pure flavor. Enjoy. You can see examples of how to use our product range on our website for applications on 3xwplantmate.dk. There you can find inspiration videos which are both relevant for industry, large commercial kitchens and home use. I'll see you in the other videos.